Many Ford Escapes, especially models from 2013 to 2020 with the 6F35 six-speed automatic transmission, experience issues like shuddering, slipping, and hard shifting. These problems are often due to torque converter lockup issues, solenoid failures, valve body problems, and degraded transmission fluid. The 6F35 transmission has specific components that can fail, as shown in this detailed diagram. Ford addressed many of these issues through recalls, software updates, and extended warranties for affected models. Newer models from 2021 to 2025 have improved transmissions, such as the ECVT in hybrids, and a more robust 8-speed automatic, reducing failure rates. If your Ford Escape experiences transmission problems, repair options include rebuilding or replacing the transmission, software fixes, and fluid flushes. Software fixes often involve dealer reprogramming, which can be free under warranty. Fluid flushes clean and refill the system, costing around $100 to $300. Regular maintenance like fluid changes every 30,000 to 60,000 miles is crucial. Hybrid models with CVTs avoid traditional gears but can experience belt wear. For older models that qualified, owners may have received reimbursement for repairs or replacements through a class action settlement, though it's no longer active. Stay informed about recalls and consider certified pre-owned models for peace of mind.